back to the Ragu Guru. Today we're going to be doing a Moroccan Hariri.
Tonight we're going to be doing a nice North African cuisine from Morocco and Algeria, of course. For Ramadan, a Moroccan harira. Here's all the stuff. Let's at it.
To start out, you got your pan with your olive oil and butter in, and then you throw your lamb chops in to be braised. Of course, after one side's done, you're going to flip them Z over and let the other side get all browned up. And then when you're satisfied, put them on the side plate there and get ready for the rest of the lamb chops. And after you've got all your lamb chops all braised and sided up, you got that beautiful, gorgeous gravy down in the bottom there to throw your onions in. Next on the list is you're going to be putting your tomatoes in. You're going to let them cook down enough for you to peel the skins off.
We're going to put the turmeric in there. Cinnamon, of course. Whoa. I don't know why the turmeric doesn't have one of those on top of it. Give that a little stir. What a beautiful smell, if you could smell this. Some actual turmeric in there. Aromatics of cilantro and Italian parsley. Throw the chickpeas over the top of that. And the red lentils in the middle of that. Put our beautiful braised lammy on top. Throw a good tablespoon of butter in the middle of that. Cover in water. And then we cover, of course. And then let it come to a boil, and then we put it in the oven.
And after it's been in the oven at 300 degrees for 2 hours, you pull it out, and then you're going to be taking out your aromatics, and then you're going to be taking the lamb off the lamb chop bones, and then you're going to be putting in your soup pasta. You can use orzo or anything you want, rice sometimes, but pasta's the best. Okay? And a little close up here just to show you what the soup looks like. I wish I could have this smell with you because it smells terrific. And for serving time, 2 scoops of luscious chunks and good stuff, and 2 scoops of broth to top it off. And you're going to be dressing it up with some nice Italian parsley and cilantro, adding some beautiful shallots to them, chopped up nice and fine. And then, of course, a lemon with some cinnamon on it, yeah. And then turmeric to finish it off. Oh, I forgot, you got to squeeze some lemon juice into it to top it off. All right, beautiful. Moroccan Hariri is a beautiful soup dish, wonderful for the holidays, and extremely tasteful. Okay, people, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.